There we go. I think we are live now. Yes, we are live. All right. What's going on, everyone? Today we are just messing around in 3D game development. So, this is something I made yesterday. Let's see if it pulls up. It does. This is a little 3D maze that I made. Joe is lost. You gotta find Joe. Let's go ahead and find Joe real quick. Sometimes it's a little hard to find Joe. We gotta search. There's Joe. Hey, we found Joe. Press R to find Joe again. Where could he be? So I haven't added like a score system or anything. This is just fucking around. I wanted to dip my toes into 3D development. Hey, there's Joe. Alright, let's find Joe again. Hey, there he is! Okay, that's it. So that was the game I made yesterday. Little 3D game, just for fun, little maze. Using an algorithm that I have zero understanding about to spawn the maze. And then we use a system where the player spawns, and if it spawns inside of a flagged maze wall, it attempts to spawn again. It'll do that 1,000 times, which is overkill, until it finds a spot where it's valid to spawn at. And then the collectible is its own class, and we let me actually pull this down a bit. You guys can see that. There. The collectible is its own class, and it uses .obj file and a PNG texture to spawn inside the world. The maze is its own class as well. And so we're gonna use the same one. We're gonna create a new, call it main 2. Alright, so main 2, and then we're gonna comment out all of this. But we are going to use a lot of this code that we did in order to figure out how to include Raylib .h. We're going to use a lot of this code to figure out. That is so scuffed, I feel like it didn't. No, Raylib. There. We're definitely gonna need Ray Math. And include. Probably definitely need IOStream. We're also going to need CMath. And we're going to probably need I don't think we'll need vector what we're doing. What else can we do? See standard library for sure. And then C time. I don't think we'll need C time. Yeah, Raylib math. Okay. Into main, return 0, and then our while loop, window, capital W, window should close. There's our main loop, and we're going to init a window, which, correct, we're going to need const int screen width and screen height. Go 800 by 600. Oops. 800 width by 600 height. Come on. Guns. And a window is going to be. I don't know what the fuck that just did. Screen width. Screen height. We're gonna call it 3D fun. 3D fun. Alright, so we got the init window. Let's create the camera. One position is 1, 1, 1. Target. Not gonna do any controls yet. We do need to set the target FPS. Right before the loop. FPS, it's gonna be 60. Okay. Begin drawing. That is correct during the while loop. Begin drawing. Clear background. Array white. Begin mode 3D camera. Begin mode 3D camera. Not camera class, but the camera object we created. Draw plane. No. End mode 3D. End mode 3D. End drawing. Close window. Return. Should have the window come up now. Form fit. I like that placement. Alright, we got our window. Draw grid. What was the code for that? Like draw 3D grid or something? Draw grid. And we did that. Was it after we made 3D? No. Let's try right here. Our grid takes slices, spacing. Cool. We're drawing. All right. Okay. So moving the mouse around, get mouse delta. I'm resting a variable for mouse sensitivity. What did I do here? 0.00. Pitch and yaw. think it was this code here. Yeah. That updates the pitch. There we go. We need to remove table cursor. Cool. Yeah, okay, this is the code right here that moves. I think that has to do if we move the character around. I don't think that's necessary. Yeah, that code is not necessary until we move. Until we have move. Or 0.08. E. I don't think I have any other variables for forward. That's fucked up. Cool. Kind of looks like a chessboard. Ooh, that's. Oh, that's good to know. When I move the mouse too far down, it flips and then it goes up. It's like I'm able to basically turn upside down. I guess that would kind of be like plane controls. All right, so we got movement. We've got looking around. We have pretty much everything we need. We need to prevent falling through the floor. Yeah. It should just be like if camera dot position. If camera dot position equals 0, 0, 0. No. X, Y, X. If camera dot position dot X is less than or equal to 0, camera dot position dot X equals 0. That should solve that. If it doesn't, then I might be a little lost. Maybe it's y coordinate. Wouldn't make sense because y is up and down, x is left. Nope, that didn't fix it. Or did it? It did. Yeah, because I'm trying to go down. It's just if it's 1. If it equal to 1, then it equals 1. And that'll give it more of like a floor. You can actually probably do 2. 2. Oh. Spawn it. Yeah, so we give it kind of our character a little bit of height. Although it's small height, dwarf height. 4. Four should work. Yeah. Our character is officially human PC height. I need a gravity. 9.8 meters per second. How do I... A jump in 2D space is just y coordinate. It's a y coordinate change over time. Yeah. If is key pressed key space camera dot position dot y, just say 1, and then that should technically loop and just continuously rise us into the air. No, it only... Oh no, because it's not while. It's not a while loop or a for loop. And it's jumpy. See, I haven't had to code jumping in my games recently. So... yeah. I don't want to just chat GPT this, I want to think it out. This equals 1. I mean, I can think of kind of a shitty way to do it. For x equals int, x equals 0, x is less than 5, increment x. Right, so that's my kind of... Yeah, but it's just... It's not a... It's not a continuous jump animation. It's just a boom, five positions, 5 y coordinates up. Which could just be literally solved by plus equals 5. I'm gonna code a smooth. Physics variables, float equals, let's just say 5 for now, and then for gravity, let's just say 1 for now. So if is key pressed, camera position dot y, camera position dot y plus equals velocity position dot y is greater than or equal to 4. We're going to minus equals gravity. Oh, that's fucked up. I should know this. I should really know this, but I don't. Because I've done this so many times. Why are we resetting velocity when you're on the ground? Velocity, ground height, gravity, jump force. If camera position at y is less than or equal to ground height, then y equals ground height and velocity equals 0.0. If you press the space key, velocity, jump force, camera position, velocity, jump 10. Plus velocity. That gradually applies heavier gravity. Now we just fuck. Whoa. What did we fuck up here? This. Maybe that just needs to be applied after. Can't jump. Wait. Where did our key base button go? There it is. Okay. Oh, because we didn't comment that. We're uncommented. Oh, that does still fuck with our... Boom. I think we just made a boolean is on ground. Or is not on ground. Are on ground. If is on ground, apply this logic. No. If not, wait. Shit. That isn't gonna fix anything. Just defaulted to false. Cool. Okay. Our jumping logic works. If not on ground, then we apply this logic. So that while we're on the ground, that logic does not apply and our movement speed will not be fucked up. Movement is not fucked up. We're jumping. Ooh. But there's still one issue though, is that when we jump, we look down. I mean, it looks cool, but it's not. It's trash code. Why do we need that though? I mean, it's confusing to me that plus equals velocity is bringing us down. And shouldn't it be minus equals? Fucking confusing. Not on ground. Equals velocity. I feel like that's what we need. It's just a minus equal. Ah, but then we're duh, because when we press this, this adds this. GPT, where are you? Oh, this prevents the doing the flips. Calculate. Let's comment that. I understand now because the target's looking down. There we go. That was it. Sweet. We just can't move when we're jumping. Broken. Oh, that's why. I'm allowed. My Y is not locked. Oh, that's gonna fuck everything up if I do that. Cannot do that. How do we prevent our Y coordinate from going? How do we prevent the Y coordinate? How do I prevent myself being able to move up? It would be if is on ground. Okay. How do I prevent the character from looking up and moving up and preventing from moving down? But if I was to lock the Y coordinate, then jumping would be impossible. And if I do it only when you're not on the when you are on the ground, I do it when you're only on the ground, I'll be able to do it while I'm jumping. But that won't matter. It won't be clean, but it won't matter because gravity is consistently being applied anyways. You will not be able to out travel the gravity. So if is on ground, y equals 4. Should do it, right? And we're not able to go up. We can still jump. I need to make that grid bigger. Draw grid, slices. Let's throw 100. Let's see. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. The targeting is kind of fucked up though. Moving too fast for me to understand what is happening. I would need to slow motion that. Maybe if we lower jump force. My gravity at 1. Oh, I like that floaty gravity. So I don't know if you can see it from the stream. Whenever I press space, it instantly looks down. Then whenever I land, it does the same thing. Why does it do that? Maybe I need to apply it to target first. Rather than position. Positional. I like this. Redevelopment is really fun. Man, I don't know. That's a ChatGPT answer for fucking if I needed it. When I press... Oh, because it's right here. Camera dot target dot y equals... Ooh, not ground height. Is it ground height? Maybe that is the issue. And a space camera dot y plus equals velocity. That's it. That was a fix. No longer happening. Sick. Or is it? Kind of is, because target.y not applying it there. And then when we land, it's just one solid land. Fuck yeah. Oh, but shit. Now we can't look down or up. Oh. Okay, so we need to... Oh, it's only happening when we land. That should prevent us from looking down. Yeah, that does. So that's not the fix. Oh, wait. No. Yeah. Target. So, instead of a hard-coded value, maybe? No. No, because, okay. Hold on. We need to make a constant value up here somewhere. Const float camtar. Just shot in the dark here, whether this works or not. Cannot be a constant. That did not work. So maybe it's that we need to apply yaw and pitch again, maybe? No, pitch. You know what, it probably has to do with, I think I know what's wrong. This will tell us. So if this dips under 14, it does. That's the issue. It's dipping under 14. It's a continuous collision detection issue. And I have not learned how to fix that. Maybe ChatGPT can give me something. Land on the ground. Also lost to both camera target wide, which can cause bad behavior. Improved version of your code. Is it improved though? Snap camera to ground. Was that not what? One force is on ground. ChatGPT just fucked all the code up. If you're not on ground, is on ground equals true. That is the dumbest thing I've ever heard. No. Why would it say to do that? It's telling me to set the camera target.y to camera position.y. In the while loop. Oh, well, I could, okay, this makes sense. I could predict a future position, and if the future position dips below the ground height, you know, I have a physics book here that has continuous collision in it. I just need to learn. I need to read it and I have to learn. $250 pages in. I've got a lot of reading to do. I'm only on on page 54. Collision hierarchies? I never thought about that. Okay. Let's read more about continuous collision in that chapter. It said something about chapter 7 though. Yes, collision detection. Bunch of math. You know what I can do for now? If position to Y, ground height. Let's try that. Ground height plus 2. Plus 4. It's a little better. Okay, I just have to do a bunch more reading. And I can get you a system of continuous collision detection. And so the idea behind this project is to kind of create, for the future, create different systems that I could use later in projects. Like, for example, I just implemented gravity, jump velocity, etc. And later on, after I've learned, let me see if I can, this book here. It's Game Physics, Engine Development, How to Build a Robust Commercial Grade Physics Engine for Your Game. There's a shit ton of math in here that I've been learning, and later I can go in and provide better systems for the jump velocity, the gravity, better systems for continuous collision detection as I learn. So this is the groundwork level of creating a system of physics for a 3D space that I can then apply to everything else. Which, the game we showed at the beginning of this stream, I'll go ahead and show it again. This game here, Joe is lost. Find Joe. This is was my first ever step into. I actually want to lower the speed. 4, and then we'll make run 0.8. My first ever look at a 3D space. This is the first ever 3D space project I have ever created. Just a little maze, can't move up, can't move down, can't jump or anything. We can run, and we can find Joe. There's my buddy Joe. Let's find him again. Let's do a little check back here in case he spawned behind us. And he did not. Okay. Yeah, just a little 3D maze game that has zero physics to it. It's just exploring and a tiny little algorithm. Dipping my toes into the water of creating a little generation, so there's an algorithm in here, creating collectibles in 3D space. I opened up Blender for the first time and I created the Joe object here. And yeah, find him again. Just a fun little, stupid little game where I memed on my friend. Hey, there he is. And like it even follows you around, like looks at you. It was cool. This is a fun little project. It took me 8 hours yesterday. but I dipped my toes into the water of 3D environments, and I just dipped my toe a little bit more into the water of a 3D environment with what I just built. Hey! And so from here out, this is the end of the stream for the day. I'm gonna get some reading done after I take a little little break, game break probably, and then from here you may find me tomorrow. I may just make a video tomorrow with what I have done so far and future 3D development for me. But I appreciate none of y'all watched this whole video. I appreciate you. You are doing God's work with helping me become a better programmer. And I hope y'all have a great, amazing day. Night.